Hi, Hayden here, and this video is the next one in the series on creators helping creators, and the title of this one is Networks of Networks. I want to talk about what that's all about, and it comes about with the 4K 1K rule where we need the 4,000 hours of viewing time in the previous 12 months and the 1,000 subscribers. Now, I'm going to jump right into the details of how to network with people that you don't know. You need to network with other creators, all right? There's a video on that computer screen behind me that is actually titled Working with Creators. It's not what you're thinking about here. That's actually in working with creators who are making big money or full-time, living money, working with sponsorships. So, and then working with them so that you can get yourself into that kind of position too. That's what that course is all about, but it's in YouTube Creator Academy. If you want to look for it, it is Working with Creators is the name of it, and it's an advanced course. However, what I want to talk about is using my own channel. And you see here, I've got my channel up on my cell phone here. And I'm also looking at it because they look differently. And if I turn the thing sideways, it might look somewhat similar. All right, so we're looking at it sideways here. All right, you see the picture of the cat on the screen snuggling my hand. And in this one here, you can't even tell he's snuggling my hand. Underneath that picture, or actually on the phone above the picture, you'll have words up here. On a computer screen on the internet, the words will probably be below the picture, and the one you're looking for says channels. So if we go over here, it's right above the cat's eye right there. If I click on the channels button, all right, all these channels come up, and apparently they don't take up the full screen. This is not the type of device you want to be using for this process. You want to be using the computer screen because I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 times, I'm looking at 20 channels over there, and here I'm looking at 2. All right. Now these are people who I'm subscribed to. It's not necessarily people who are subscribed to me, but it is people, and they can see 4 that way. All right. So these are people who I have subscribed to. So not necessarily people who have subscribed to me, but I've subscribed to them. There are a lot of people on that channels list. All right. So that's channels. Go to my homepage. Look for it. Says at the top of the screen, it'll say home, videos, playlists, and channels. Click on channels, and these are people who I've subscribed to. What I might suggest is you look for people who are somewhere in the range of the same number of subscribers that you have. If somebody doesn't list the number of subscribers they have, that's because they have some kind of privacy setting on their channel that doesn't allow you to see how many subscribers they have. Initially, I would just skip those, all right? They're great channels and everything else, but if you don't know how many subscribers they have, they might be somebody with 20,000 subscribers and they don't really want to, I don't know, whatever. So they may not be so eager to be part of your network. I don't know. It depends on the different people or whatever it is. But, there are people here with less than 100 subscribers. There are people here with more than, 10,000 subscribers. It really depends on where they're at. But for the main part, everybody is somewhere between like 2,500 or maybe 3,500 subscribers down to less than 100. All right. Now, these are people who are creators, and they, for the most part, not all of them are. Okay. Not all of these people are are creators. But creators who are probably in the same boat as we are, same boat you are, all right? So these are people that you probably want to network with. Now, not everybody is going to have their subscriptions listed on their channel for privacy purposes or whatever, or they don't want to inconvenience anybody. They will not show who they're subscribed to. But on my channel, as I showed you on the phone here, I show you everybody who I have subscribed to on there. Go to their channel, all right? This is my suggestion. This is within the terms of service. I'm not going to tell you anything that falls outside of the terms of service, right? Of YouTube. Nothing here should get you in trouble because you're going to do it the right way, all right? So you go to my channel, you look at the channels who I've subscribed to, all right? You go down the list and you look at maybe 5 channels a day, all right? 10 channels a day. You set up a thing, you go through, look at their channel, click on their channel, look at the videos that they have. If you look at their home page and it says they have no content, click on the videos button because it's there. Maybe they only use a cell phone. Maybe they didn't set up their settings right or whatever. It's okay. There's a way to fix that, but I'm not going to go into that here. But go to the channel, Look at a couple of their videos, see if they're along the kinds of videos that you like to do. Maybe there's something that you can learn from them, and whatever. But if there's somebody that you think that you want to network with, watch a couple of their videos 100% of the way through, like the video, make a comment below, and subscribe to their channel and support that creator, all right? Do not ever ask for them to subscribe to you. Never ask that. It's a violation. It is an absolute direct violation of the terms of service of YouTube, and it will get you in trouble. Could get your channel yanked right off the air. You don't want to do that. So you got to do it legally, morally, and ethically within the terms of service. Go to these channels, check them out, make sure you like their videos. If they're not your cup of tea, back off, get away, leave the channel. But if you like them, watch a video, watch 100% of the video, find one to 3 to 5 minutes, all right? Like the video, make a comment below, say, hey, how you doing? Like your video. New supporter, okay? That's a good term, new supporter. I say I joined your network, all right? Whatever it is you want to do, however you want to say it, probably don't want to use the word subscribe because YouTube is goofy about the word subscribe, but that is their term and that is what we're trying to, accomplish here in networking. So go to their video, watch 100% of the whole thing, make sure you give them a thumbs up on the video, subscribe to their network, let them know in the comment below, hey, how you doing? New supporter, like what you're doing, liked your video, all right? Something nice, short and simple, nice comment, and you're out. Leave. Do not ever ask for somebody to support you back. You can't do it, all right? I will get I'll get new people. They have less than 100 subscribers. They'll come into my channel and they'll say, hey, sub for sub. I'm like, goodbye, okay? I will go to their channel and I check them out, but that comment's off I don't want that on my channel, If somebody's saying sub for sub, that's a trash can comment. I'm still gonna go to your channel. I'm still gonna look at your video. If I like your video, I like your channel, I'm going to end up liking your video, making a comment below, subscribing to your channel. That'll happen. 99.999% of the time, I am going to subscribe to somebody's channel. That's going to happen. All right, it's going to happen because that's what I do. And once I subscribe, I never unsubscribe because that's the wrong thing to do. You're sending a bad message, bad karma. You know what karma is, right? It's going to come back and bite you in the keister. So you don't want to do that either. What you do is you go back and you look at people and you have to find people that are like, they're in the same boat as you are, So we need to try to make a strong, solid base of a network. Why do I say networks of networks? You're probably familiar with Small YouTube Army, Small YouTubers, YouTubers Unite, I don't know, whatever names they are. Hashtag I am a creator is one of them from James Cox. Professional Student had one. I don't know if she's still involved with it or not, in all honesty. It was hashtag I'm a creator as opposed to hashtag I am a creator. Okay, they're different. So Small YouTube Army and other YouTube creators, helping creators and all that kind of thing. We're all different networks, but guess what? I'm part of all of those networks. And the reason why I am is because of those people have subscribed to me. I've subscribed to them. It's networks of networks. We're all building things together, and that's going to get us a first firm base. I have to tell you straight up, at this particular point, I don't think anybody should be less than 1,000 subscribers. There's too many honest, good, hardworking people out there making videos, creating videos, trying to build their channels. There's too many of us for anybody really to be below 1,000 subscribers for more than a couple of weeks. The only reason you're not hitting that 1,000 subscribers is not enough people found you to be their cup of tea. Maybe they didn't like your videos, whatever. Maybe they do, maybe they don't, what have you. But you have to keep networking. You have to keep searching people out, looking for people, watching their videos, liking their videos, and that's what it's all about. That's how you network with people. Never, ever, ever ask for a return favor. It's a direct violation of the terms of service. It will get your channel snatched at some point. I have no doubt. All right, so keep things legal, keep things moral, keep things ethical. Get the job done the right way, the honest way, the hard-working way. Get your nose into grindstone. Have your motivation. You already have that. You got your dedication, you're already moving along. You need your determination. That is the long haul. That's the grind, all right? You got to get it done. I want to talk about the things that I'm talking about, watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. In my older videos, I would say, watch, like, comment, and subscribe. There's kind of a bit of a problem with that because watch, like, comment, and subscribe. I can only like your video once. Once I hit the like button, if I hit it again, it takes the like away. I don't want to do that, so I want to like your video. So I no longer say like, And I no longer say subscribe. And the reason why I don't say subscribe anymore is because YouTube's goofy about the word subscribe, and we're all saying supporter now anyway. Or I say I joined your network, or I say networking and networks and stuff like that, and supporting. So what I did is I changed it just to the 2 words, and you see them on my screen 3 times. In the very beginning of the video, in the middle of the video, and at the very end of the video, you see watching and supporting. It means the same thing. I watch 100% of your video every single time. If I started your video, I'm watching your video every single time. Now, I got to back off for a second and say, I am not telling you what to do here. I'm telling you what I do. These are my own promises to myself. I promised myself when the 4K, 1K hit that I would operate in a legal, moral, and ethical way. I would have the motivation, dedication, determination to get the job done. And I set up a core value system of what I would do and how I would do it. And it's watch, like, comment, and subscribe. I would go to a channel, look the channel over, and when I start playing a video, I'm going to watch 100% of the video every single time without fail, because it's a very important statistic for YouTube and advertisers. They want to see full views. They want to see 100%. As a matter of fact, you will see people making comments where they say full view. Okay, that's what they're talking about. 100% watched the video. They played that thing 100%. All right, you like the video. I have a lot of people that I support that I go back and they don't have that many videos. They have some good length videos. They have some short videos. Some people have a whole lot of short videos, but there's not really enough of them. So I will watch a bunch of their videos. All right. But there's not that many where I end up watching the same videos over and over again. That's fine. Okay. So for those ones, I can't hit the like button again. All right. So that's part of my supporting. I am watching and grabbing more of their time. You'll see me make a note on somebody's channel, grabbing more of your time, watching and supporting, okay? That's the watching and supporting. That is my value system. I'm watching 100%. I'm liking the video. I can only like it once, but I'll come back and watch it again, all right? I am making a comment, okay? I will always make a comment. If I'm the only one making comments, and there's only 3 comments or 5 comments, and they're all from me, I might slow down and not make a comment on that particular video, but I've pretty much been making comments on every single video I watch now, because that's my calling card. Hey, I've been there. This is what I'm doing. This is how I'm doing it. I'm coming by. I'm watching your video. I'm supporting you in your efforts, and you're getting watch time because you're getting another view, and I'm watching 100%. Okay, so I am supporting. So watching and supporting. When I go back and play your video, 100% watch, like, comment, and I've already subscribed, and I've already liked it. Sometimes I'll find a video that for some reason I pretty much think I liked it. The like button isn't activated. I'll activate it then. And I'll make a note. Hey, for some reason the like wasn't hit. Or hey, I was so enthralled with your video, I forgot to hit the like button. It happens. Which I want to come back to now is it's very important, because now after that first watching and supporting that you see on my video, this video here is the second video that I made with this new enhancement. I say, please like and subscribe. Thank you for your support, or words to that effect. This is only the second time I'm using it, and I haven't edited this video yet. So I just want to make that point is we have to ask. All right. When we all started, nobody wanted to ask. We thought it was rude and inconsiderate to say, hey, like my video, subscribe to my channel, do it. Nobody wanted to do that. We figured that people would find our videos as it would be. They would do the right search. We put the right keywords in. They'll find it. We know what they're looking for. They know what they're looking for. They find our videos. They fall in love with us. They like our videos and subscribe to our channel. We all kind of thought that's the way it would work. No, the 4K, 1K rule changed all of that. We have the hardcore network. Get the job done. Get to it as much as we can. Do the best you can with the time that you have available, and put in the effort that you have available. That's all you can do. And then, but keep networking. You have to network. I find it personally, I find it a little bit depressing that everybody in the network isn't over 1,000 subscribers at this point. And new people that come in, I've seen people just shoot up the network because there are a couple of people I worked with individually, and I used their videos while I was chatting with them. I would use their videos as an example of what it is, how you do it, why you do it, and this is what you do. And they're very successful, and they're moving right up the food chain, right up the old rack to getting the 4,000, 1,000 done and beyond. And they're just climbing up the ladder. And it's great to see that. I really like to see people succeed. Okay, so let's make sure that we're part of that group, succeeding each and every step of the way. Stay tuned. It was really important to get this networking of networks, networks of networks video accomplished, because I'm going to talk about some things in the future videos that are really, really important. And you have to have this background up front, because yeah, we're going to be professional videographers. Again, I'm really making this video for people who want to be or already are professional videographers. And my definition of a professional videographer on YouTube is you've earned YouTube partner status. So my goal is to help you get to the YouTube partner status to the best of my ability. You have to do the work, but I can give you some insight the best I can. Get to the YouTube partner status, monetize your videos, and some people have different reasons for doing different things. That's fine and dandy. But my goal is to help people get their monetization up so they can start making some money to help pay them for the time and effort, aggravation and frustration they put into doing the very thing they love, making videos on YouTube. All right? So stay frosty, stay in tune, stay in touch, make comments below. That's your calling card to let other people who are of like mind know that the comments below this video are people of the like mind. They want to grow, they want to succeed, and they're willing to help other people succeed as long as we are each other's cup of tea. Never ask for a favor in return. Get the job done, put your nose to the grindstone. Determination is the grind, and we're all there now. We're about to be very soon. So come on, catch up, get there, and let's get the job done. Now, stay tuned for this series. I have a couple of really interesting videos coming up, but I got to cut this short because I can go very long. I can go for hours on this stuff, all right? So with that, and until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.